So today I have a new 3-in-1 power tool from SEESII. This one is a vacuum, a light, and an air pump all in one. All right, so inside we do have our goodie bag with all the little parts for it. This is going to have all your little vacuum attachments, also your little hose for airing up tires and such. You do get your quick start guide. You also got a user manual inside. You got your main system here. You got extra filter. So this is going to be your main tool that's going to do everything pretty much, and I'll demonstrate everything here in a moment. We also even have an attachment for a light, so you can turn this into a bright light when you need it. And this one comes with two 2000 milliamp batteries, so you got pretty decent battery life. Now, as for the tool itself, like I mentioned, you could do different modes with it. So if we take this off, you got your filter that you can change out as well. This is your vacuum attachment. And now we can just use this as an inflator. You can put your hose right here and you can inflate. You can take your light and you can attach this onto here. And now you have a light. We can go ahead and fire it up. This one does have a display screen. PSI is automatically at 36. We could also hit that light button, and that's going to turn on your bright light along with a light right here. So so even when this is off, if you're air inflating and stuff, you still have this light to give you a little bit of light too. Now, as for the stats, we got 18 volts, 21 volt max, 130 watts. The inflator rated power is 130 watts, and the vacuum cleaner rated power is 130 watts. Lighting rated power is 5 watts. Now let's go ahead and put the vacuum attachment back on, and I'll do a quick demonstration using this as a vacuum. My truck is a little bit messy right now. I've been living mostly the off-road life and mud. All right, so right here we have our regular attachment. Which does suck up a decent amount. And then you also have your attachments like for your crevice tool. And we can stick that into the crevice and get a bit more. You can also turn it up. And you can always attach some of your other ones, and they'll attach to the others so you can extend it out a bit. It actually does a decent job. I think for the heavy duty stuff I'd use more of a shop vac, but for like little cleaning jobs and stuff, this actually works pretty well. And then to clean it out, all you got to do is pop this off or pop this down, and now we can clean everything out. You could also twist this off, pull that filter out and clean that out of there. And then we do have the hose attachment to inflate tires or inflatables, whatever you might need to inflate. This is probably not one that I would really choose for a truck tire, just because it is a larger one. It needs a little bit more power, and this is more rated for like car tires. So maybe my trailer tires would be a little more ideal with this one. Now with these tires, we can go up to 50 PSI. Right now it shows that it's at 35.5. You can hit the plus and minus to set it where you want. I'm gonna set it to 40. All right, let's try this out. So we're gonna set it for 40, and we're gonna see how well this will air up this tire. Right now it's at 35.5. 36.5. That's not too bad on speed so far. 37, 37.5, 38. So it's actually aired up pretty quickly. 38.5, 39, and 40. So actually that went to 35 to 40 pretty quickly with this tire. That might actually work with the truck. I'll give it a try. All right, so if we bring it over to my truck, these ones are a little bit larger, of course, and usually they're gonna need a little bit more power, but this actually did the other ones pretty quickly, so let's try it on these 20s. And right now it shows that we have 34 PSI. Usually I have this around 36 or so. I think I'll let out a little bit of air. All right, so I dropped it down to 32. We're gonna put it at 36. Let's see how well it will do this size of a tire. Well, 32.5, slightly slower than the smaller tire. 33, but it is airing it up. $34. All right, 36. So it will work for even a truck tire. This has actually got a little bit of power for such a small machine. So I know that I can air up my truck tire if I need to. Definitely air up the car tires or the trailer tires, no problem there. We got battery life, still pretty full, or it is full. So overall, not too bad. So overall, I'm going to say it has a pretty decent amount of power for a smaller machine. It's not overly large. The case is a little larger. You can easily put this in your trunk or put it under a seat though. You got all these attachments. You can use it for a vacuum. You can inflate your tires. And you even have a work light that you can use at night when it's dark. I'd say overall, I'm pretty impressed with how well this one works. And I do like this one. Anyway, this is my quick demo of the SEESII 3-in-1 multi-tool. You get 2 batteries, so you're not going to have to worry about it going dead on you, and you'll be able to easily inflate multiple tires or vacuum your car out and stuff with just 1 battery. Not a problem. You got your spare light, or you got your light attachment for if you need light in the dark. Anyway, if you're looking for a pretty cool multi-tool to keep your stuff inflated or to vacuum out your vehicle, definitely check out the SEESII. I really like this one.